ये तकरीबन हम ले रहे हैं 1/3 कप ऑफ ऑयल। एक मीडियम साइज अनियन है, इन स्लाइसेस में काटा हुआ है। The onion is becoming red little bit. Now we will add some clove and star anise, little bit of cumin, 1 stick of cinnamon, put little bit of water, 1 teaspoon ginger and 1 teaspoon garlic, black pepper, a pinch of red chili, 2 green cardamom. Now we add 1 medium sized tomato cut into slices, 6 cup of chicken stock, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 50 gram butter, and let it boil little bit. Because at this point the salt should be little bit tasting little bit more, because we have to put the rice inside. So as you can see, it's very good red color because of the tomato paste. This is 3 cup pre-soaked basmati rice. So we add it and let it simmer. Cover this rice and cook it covered. So we decrease the flame now and let it cook for 15 minutes. लेमन पेपर चिकन है, इसको हम स्टीम कर रहे हैं। ये चिकन हमारा अब स्टीम हो चुका है। Now we are frying the chicken. We steamed it already, so it is cooked already inside. Just needed some crispiness. Very good. बहुत अच्छा कलर है। Now the taste. Very nice. This is red rice in tomato paste. So now we have our dish ready. Red rice with lemon pepper chicken.